Well, good afternoon, everyone. Thanks for tuning in to Gray Shot Down. I'm Gray Shot Down on the sticks, alongside a guest, Jacob Uri, behind the wheel. We're going to take on another full self-drive 11.4.7.2 aerial perspective video. Are you trying to engage it?
Yeah.
You can engage it. You can turn it on the straight if you want to.
Gotcha.
Yeah, there you go. Just a single.
Oh, that's right.
You're used to your Model 3.
Yeah, double tap.
It's like the Zombieland thing. If you guys are liking the content, please be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. We all know how that helps the crazy YouTube algorithm, and I greatly appreciate it.
I bet nobody notices that drone at all.
You probably can't see it, right?
I can barely see it back there.
It should be a few hundred feet up in the air.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, no.
Yeah.
Well, because the other nice thing about the Mavic nowadays is, I'm not sure if you followed the drone scene that long, but you remember how like the first Phantoms, they came out and they were white?
Oh, yeah.
Dude, those things were so easy to spot from the sky.
Yeah. Do you have a speed offset, or is it?
Yes, 8%.
Nice.
And the driver mode's chill.
Oh, okay.
Good day, though.
Yeah.
It's nice to see all the leaves changing in the area.
Yeah, it looks nice.
Oh yeah, I should warn you, sometimes it tries to dive in that lane, and if we're in this lane, it'll try to dive in the left lane up here. I'm not sure if you've seen yours try to do the lane dive situation yet or not.
Yeah, not here, but I've definitely seen
It
it.
tries to do it, I think, right about here. It's either on this turn or the next one. Not consistently enough for me to say every time, but just enough for me to warn you that it might be a possibility. It will probably want to go to 49 up here when the speed limit jumps to 45.
Okay.
Just scroll back to 45 if you don't mind.
Okay.
You okay?
Yep. I couldn't tell if that was a left indicator or a right.
Oh, gotcha. Oh, that's why you're disengaged. I was wondering what was going on.
Yeah.
I was thinking it was because you were trying to change lanes and you were concerned about that vehicle being if you were concerned about that vehicle in our adjacent lane.
No.
And then if you don't mind, just make sure you scroll back to 45 once it comes up here.
Oh, yeah. There it is.
Thanks. Definitely a pretty time of year when the leaves change.
Yeah. I love the scenery around here. A lot of people knock it for being a desert, but it's nice.
Yeah. Did you catch which way it was trying to indicate or no?
Yeah, it looked like it was trying to go left.
I told you, be on the lookout. And then sometimes what it'll try to do on this drive is it'll try to signal into this other lane and then get in the left lane to make the left ahead. I watch the music ones too, so don't feel bad. It's like 50-50. You know who actually does watch the unedited ones? Is Doggone Sci-Fi.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Oh, wow. Yeah, I'll have to check out some of the unedited ones because the YouTube algorithm normally just
serves up what you probably saw last.
yeah, it just recommends the edited ones. I'm just gonna help it a little bit and go on.
If you want, I don't know if you've experienced this or not, but sometimes you don't actually have to take over like that. You can actually just push on the throttle.
Yeah, I did a little bit, but
okay.
The wheel kind of tweaked a bit.
Oh, no worries.
I would have let it figure it out, but we had that.
Well, some of this, well, and like we talked about off camera, some of this is more of understanding different drivers' comfort levels, right?
Yeah.
And that's what we're trying to capture on camera.
Yeah.
So it's not that it's a bad thing or anything like that. It's just seeing how everyone's comfortable with the software, and yeah, I think you're going to have disengagements until it's flawless.
Yeah, absolutely.
Because some might be more comfortable with the squirreliness aspect of it, others might not be. And
nice.
Thanks again, you guys, for tuning in. I'm Gray Shot down behind the wheel, alongside Jacob Uri as a special guest, doing a aerial perspective of Tesla's 11.4.7.2 full self-driving software stack. If you are liking the content, please again be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. We'll see you again next time. Bye.